Okay. Again? Huh? Then already I told you previous day we have already started a lesson that was domestic animals. Okay, domestic animals lesson. I have a request to the students, especially to you. When you will do the class, that time you will write by your own, because now you can write the words. Okay, in e-portal also you will write down the name with the help of your parents, just like circle the wild animals or circle the pet animals. Yeah, whatever the name of animals, your parents will help you, but you will write down the name. Okay, because now you can write down all the words. Now, so today at first let's start that lesson. You will do a rhyme, that is Old MacDonald. You will start with me. We will do today 2 animals with their sounds name today. Okay, then ready today? 1, 2, 3, start. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And in that farm he had some cows, E-I-E-I-O. And in that farm he had some cows, E-I-E-I-O. Moo moo here, moo moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere moo moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Okay, so now we know the cow sound is called moo. Okay, and again if I am called that what is the sound of dog? The dog sound is bark, but woo woo. Okay, next day again we will do with one more sound. Okay, today we know only cow sound, they will moo. Okay, so I hope you will enjoy this. If you enjoy these rhymes, you will just raise your hand. If you enjoy these rhymes. Okay, you will also practice at home, all the students. Okay, now, oh, everybody are here. Okay, good morning everybody. So, now today what we will do, we will write down some names. Previous day already we have started pet animals name. So, today we will write the name of pet animals. The students, you will also ready with your pencil, eraser and copy. Show me your pencil, eraser and copy. Students, show me your pencil, eraser and copy. Show me the copy. Abradeep, show me the copy. Mriganko, show me the copy. Shrestha, show me the copy. Brintika, all the students, show me your copy. Okay, very good, very good. Now you will take out your page, write down class work and date. You will just write down CW and date. CW and date. Write down 19, 9 and 20. Write down classwork and date. Write down each and everybody. Write down classwork and date. Mriganko, write down in your copy classwork and date, beta. Write down classwork and date. Okay, classwork and date, everybody write down in your copy. Now put the heading pet, P-E-T, pet. Write down the heading pet. You can do the work with the help of your parents, but the words you will write down by your own. Okay, pet animals. Write down everybody. Pet animals. Nivedita, okay, everybody are writing, okay, pet animals. Complete this, okay. Thereafter, now we start with some pet animals name. We will write down 5 pet animals name and all you will learn those names very carefully because some of the names are very short name. Already you know this one. Number 1 we write down now. Write down left side. Number 1. Write down like this. Number 1. Miganko, you are writing. Shrestha, Shanchan, write down. Number 1. Write down. First name, it is in your book. It is cat. So write down the spelling of cat. C-A-T. Cat. Everybody write down cat. C-A-T. See the spelling and write down. C-A-T. Cat. Everybody are writing. Brintika writing. C-A-T. Cat. Abhradeep completed? Abhradeep completed? Miganko, very good. Yes, very good. Cat. Brintika completed? Okay, everybody are here. Okay. Thereafter, write down cat after number 2. Write down. Miganko, write down dog. D-O-G. Miganko, write down dog. D-O-G. Dog. Shanchan, write down. Bintika, write down. Okay, dog. Asma, this is dog. D-O-G, dog. Okay. So, D-O-G, dog. Okay. Write down cat, dog. Number 3, you will do fish. F-I-S-H. Fish. Say the spelling with me. F-I-S-H. Fish. Nivedita, complete. F-I-S-H. Fish. Okay. Fish. F-I-S-H. Number 4. This is parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. 1, 2, 3, 4. P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. You learn these spellings, okay, very carefully. Parrot. And number 5, this is rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. So, P-A-R-R-O-T. Asma, you are writing? Okay, very good. Shanchan, it is okay. Very good, everybody. Everybody completed this. This one. Okay, okay. Yes, yes. Okay, so cat, dog, fish, parrot, rabbit. These 5 pet animals name already mentioned in your book. Okay. There are so many more animals are there. You should write down all the name by your own. Cat, dog, fish, parrot, rabbit. Okay. Cat, dog, fish, parrot, and very good, Miganko. Okay. Completed. Brintika completed. Shanchan completed. Okay, very good. Yes, yes. Okay. Abhradeep, complete this work and show it show me the copy. That is Nivedita completed. Okay, okay, Abhradeep. Okay. So all you will write down. Okay, very good, very good. Okay. Now, Already you have write down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pet animals name. You have already write down. So thereafter say with me one more time the spelling. C-A-T, cat. D-O-G, dog. F-I-S-H, fish. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. You should learn all these 5 names. Okay. If you have completed this one, now you have a drawing work. Okay. So you will now draw a fish. Very easy process. I will show you what you will do. Okay. A fish you will draw. Okay. First you will do like this D. This one do and join also this one. Okay. Complete this. Now give a smile. Thereafter make a small circle here and here. Now eye is over here. Now make a line like this. Okay. At last make a big size fish, not small fish. Make a big size fish. Okay. You will do it by yourself. This one you can do this. I know that all the students you can do this, and you will write down, color this also. You color this fish and write down the spelling fish, F-I-S-H, fish. Do it. F-I-S-H, fish. Do it. Now I erase this part here. Nivedita, complete this. Fish. Do the fish. Shrestha, now color very neat and cleanly. Shrestha, you can also do this. Fish. Do it by yourself. Oh, very good, very good, very good, Sanchayan. Okay, Mriganko, completed. You can do this with the help of your parents. Okay, your parents can help you here for drawing this. Okay, you can do this. Okay. Completed, completed. Okay, very good, very good. Most of them are completed. Okay, very good. Which one you can do it by yourself? You can do this. Now, color part you will do as a homework. Very good, Mriganko. Abhradeep, where is your fish? Show me your fish. Show me your fish. Show me your fish. Sanchayan is Sanchayan over. Acha. Okay, now you will. I'll do one oral today activity, that is fill in the blanks. Okay. So now you can see D dash G. Now you will tell me what will be the fill in the blanks here. D dash G. This is oral. You will just write down that what will be here. D. Yes, very good, Nivedita. Okay. D dash G. Devansh, are you doing? You completed everything, beta? Okay, okay. Everybody are doing. Okay. Okay, Shanchayan, Shrestha, Mriganko, Vintika, Asma. Okay, okay, very good. Shubham, okay. Okay, Devansh. Okay. Dog. Devansh completed, beta? Okay, very good. Very good. Color part you will do neat and cleanly. Take a time. And afternoon time you will complete the fish coloring. Okay, then next class you will show it to me. Okay. So dog. D-O-G dog. Very good all the students. Now C dash T. What will be the answer? Mriganko give the answer. Abradip give the answer. Shanchayan. All you will C dash T. What will be the answer? Okay, Nivedita okay. Asma okay. Abradip okay. Oh wow, Shutanbi okay. Shrestha okay. Shanchayan okay. Brintika also. Devans also. Very good. Now, so D-O-G dog, C-A-T cat. Very good. So now I'll give another more. F-I-S dash. F-I-S dash. What will be the answer? What will be the answer? What will be the answer? Yes, Abradip fish, 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 or Shanchayan fish, Shrestha fish, Devansh fish, oh very good. Sutanvi fish, okay, Asma okay, Devansh also okay, Brintika okay, F-I-S-H fish. So, verbally fill in the blanks, it is over. Okay. So, today you will read all the spellings for pet animals. In next class, we will do another activities with pet animals. Okay, all the students. Okay, so be careful with this. This will be your color part is your homework. You will do big size fish and then color and write down the fish spelling also. Okay, fish spelling also you will write down. Now, so now I'll give a oral work to you. Okay, so at first you will tell me from previous lesson I'll ask you what is the spelling of fox. Write down tell me the spelling of fox. This will be your oral work. Okay, the fox. Okay. Yes, remember. Okay, very good, Devans. Fox, Abradip Shah. Now orally you will tell me from previous lesson I just ask you fox spelling. Okay, very good. Fox, fox, everybody are giving the answer. Wow. So everybody, Abradip, Devansh, Brintika, Shanchayan, Nivedita, all are giving. Very good. Now up to this much today. For next class, again we will meet with new activities. For till now today, we will now tata. I have to take tata from you.